All right, welcome guys to my channel. Today we're trying to install this. We're gonna be going connected to that outlet here for the microwave and bringing it down here for this. The gas stove has a screen and there was no outlet here for this. Because all the cabinets are here, so they never really installed an outlet down here for this. But for the regular stove, the electric stove, it's got the outlet down there. But I just upgraded to the gas stove. So what I'm trying to do is try to put another outlet here, so I can plug that stove on there. So if you enjoy stuff like this, stick around, and we'll be doing this together, guys. I already cut the hole for the outlet, and I do have the outlet piece that goes in there. It's right over here. I'll show you guys. I'm not back there, so sorry. This is an easy one that you just screw it here, and it holds itself on the drywall. All right. So that's what I'm gonna do right here. But before I can put this in there, I need to make holes here. I need to break this plastic thing here, the hose that allows me to put away. Should I do this side or this side? I think I do this side. Maybe I use this wire cutter. There you go, so there's a hole right there. And that's how I'm gonna do it. So I have my wire right here. This is like $100. It's so expensive. And if you get like a 50 foot, it is like $44. So I'm planning to finish my basement. So it's about a big one, so I have extras. And I think I'll need maybe like 10 foot, maybe 8 foot from up there down here. I didn't know, I just want to buy a small one because it just didn't make sense to buy the small one. So that's why I went for this, just a long one at once. All right. So I'm gonna get this out here and tie it onto this. I'm gonna tie it over here and then pull it from the top. Okay? I don't know if you've ever done this, but basically just tie this here and you pull it from, you roll it up there with this thing, and then you got it all the way up there. So now what I'm doing, I already had a tip here. I think I used it before to fish a wire. So I just need to remove this. So I wanted to do this before I can they're installing the grinding countertop on next week. So I want to put this outlet before they put the grinding, so I have room. Because once I put the counter here, then you have to crawl all the way down here. But once I put it now, I should be safe. I don't have to crawl underneath this. So I just want to encourage you guys. It is not that bad, guys. You can do this. All right? Anyone can do this. So what I do is just like hook it up and bend it on this thing here. And then what I'm gonna do, just use this tape, painting tape. A lot of people recommend like, electric tape because it doesn't break, but this should be fine. You just put a couple rolls and it should be safe. So once you lock it in here, you just start fishing it back up. And once it come here, then you cut it. Okay, and it's too tight over here, so I'm just using the tub. So I'm just gonna let out a few. And then you just use this to roll it. It's already up here, so I just need to, maybe I should get a pliers and pull. I just need to bring it up. I'm gonna grab a pliers really quick and pull it. Right here. So this thing is already here, so I just need to fish it through. There you go. There it is. And then you just remove the tip and you're good. Remove this tip out. That wasn't so hard. You can add outlets as it's pretty easy work. And especially if it's just on the same stud, because this one was easy because I just used the same stud all the way down instead of trying to fish it through the wall. That's when it gets a little harder. It worked out pretty easy, pretty good. So this is up here already. So now I can put this away. If you don't have one of these, you need to invest in it. It comes handy. You're probably not gonna use it that much, but when you need it, this thing works. So I got this here. The tricky part is like I couldn't get it through the hole over there. So it's a little tricky, but I will try. I'll try to see if I can. Oh shit! Almost got it. I'm gonna try to get it through a little bit through there. It's a little tricky to make holes. So what I'm trying to do is try to fish this thing through this plastic, through the plasticky thing out here. So I have not turned off the. I think I'm gonna have to fish it again because it didn't come through correctly. So I want it to come. I want it to come through this hole. So I'm gonna pull the wire back out. So I wanted to go through the plastic, the little hole in this hole right here. Right now it just came in, like the wire just came in the front here, and I needed to go inside this box. So let's do it again. Okay, so I usually try to use this like colored tape so then you can see it, just in case if it didn't go through, you can see it through the wall. So I hope it can come through here. Now it's on there. I just need to pull it out. There you go. Got it, guys. So now it came through the right place. If it wasn't there, I'm gonna have to get a knife, cut that tape off. It's right there. Okay. There you go. So now just need to put this. All right. So now I got the enough here and enough down there. So I'm just gonna cut it. So I have enough. Probably just cut this much. There you go. And then I just wound that back in there for the next project. Perfect. Just clean it up a little bit. These tips so they don't stick on my shoes. All right. So now the wires are out there, up there, and the wires down here. So I just need to put this in here now, and then screw it in there, and then fish the wire through. Actually, you can just fish the wire right now before I even put it in. And it just goes in here like that. think I need to put like a piece of wood back here. All right, so I went to get a piece of wood. I usually try to add an outlet. It's very difficult to screw it in here on the stud. So if you can next maybe screw a piece of wood from the inside, just for like a support, that it really helps. So I'm gonna screw this on the other side, on this side, and that should be able to hold, like help support the outlet. Just put it in its tight, and you just basically just screw it on to the drywall, as long as you have something back there to hold it. Yep, that should be good. I'm gonna have to duck it down a little bit. There you go. And then just put the wire through here. And then you slide this in here. There you go. And then I usually just throw another screw on the side here and into the stud to hold it, just in case. There you go. And that should work. Perfect. So now I just need to go get an outlet so I can put them in here, and I'll be right back. All right, so now I already installed the bottom outlet. Now I need to go up here and install the top part. Let me get all my tools. So now I need to install this one. Okay. So I just need to cut this, open this a little loose. All right. Just make sure. Let me get my tester. The one today. electrocuted for not using the right tools. Right here. Just make sure that everything is off. Yeah. Everything is off, yes. So everything is off. So now it's safe to add another line on. Got that. Got that. Bend it over. Bend it around like that. Okay. Then make sure you put this thing the right side. So the white one goes on this side. I'm gonna make this longer a little bit. That one is on. There you go. So what I'm doing right now is just installing the wire. And then I'm going to turn the light on, back on, and make sure everything is working. So this one I should probably just add it right there. All right, so I'm gonna go turn the light on so we can do the testing. Be right back. All right, the light is back on. So if you hear the beeping, beep, 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 means everything is on. Yeah, right, power's on, power's here. There we go, that's installed. So I have to turn the light back off and then put that thing back in there before I can cover it, okay? So just hang in tight. All right, so everything is installed. Just cleaning up now some of the mess that I made up here, and we should be good to go. So plug this in. There you go. That one is done right there. And turn the lights back on. All right, the light is back on. The microwave is on. You can see the blinking on the microwave. And now I'm gonna try this right here. There you go. That's on. So that looks perfect. So guys, this is not that hard. Anybody can do this, all right? I got it done. Everything looks great. The microwave is blinking. You can see it right there. And the stove is on too as well. The stove is on. You can see it right there. And the microwave is blinking right there. So everything looks good. That one is the outlet is right there. And then up here, everything looks good right there. If you can see it. All right. So there it is. New outlet for this. We'll paint that wall later. Don't even worry about that. That's just a simple touch up and we should be good. So I got that done, guys. Please subscribe, follow, share with your friends. See you later.